Hey, what's up? I had this idea of creating an Amon Tobin kind of track, like in the album Isam, using samples that went through the Hologram Microcosm. So I'm taking samples from a drum machine, I'm sending them through the microcosm, and I'm getting some output, some new sounds, and I'm using a collage technique. So the process is different. Instead of having a rhythm going through and trying to add sound over sounds and the progression, you actually create all the samples from the pedal, and you try to do the collage and try to see how they can fit together in a context, a bit like a painter such as Jean-Michel Basquiat, if you heard about him. So I'll show you the 8 samples that I used, how they sound before and after going through the microcosm, and the end result that I managed to have. Let's look into it.